Join our colorful journey through the alphabet. Explore A, B, C, D with animals and vibrant colors. Get ready for fun discovery. For alligator. Powerful red alligator moves gracefully through its habitat. Embodies strength and resilience. B for bear. Magnificent orange bear stands tall and proud in sun-dappled forest. Gentle and commanding. C for cat. Sleek yellow cat full of curiosity and grace, exploring playfully. Vibrant color stands out.